Hello friends, the topic of today's video is reinforcement learning. So machine learning has three techniques: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning and reinforcement learning. So in this video I will introduce you what is reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is feedback based machine learning technique in which the feedback is taken. So here there is you will find one intelligent agent which will perform the action, and on the basis of action some feedback is taken. Now if there is positive result, positive feedback is taken. If there is negative feedback, then negative result has been generated. So you will find agent learn to behave in an environment, and for each action agent gets the feedback. So if agent gets positive feedback, then positive action will be considered. If agent gets negative feedback, negative action will be taken. So based on that the strategy will be decided. So it is feedback based mechanism. So, and one more important thing, there is no label data. While in supervised learning, we see supervised learning require label data, while in reinforcement learning the data is not labeled. So everything is based on feedback. So actually this is the implementation of AI based system. Reinforcement learning is used in AI based system. So here there are two main components: environment means nothing but situation, and there is one intelligent agent. So agent perform the action in the situation, and if we get positive result, then positive feedback has been taken and corresponding action will be taken. And if we get negative feedback, reward means feedback. So if there is negative feedback, then according to that state will be considered. So at every time the feedback is taken into consideration. So this is how reinforcement learning works. So if we see supervised learning, we will require label data and we will stick to only that. Our results are completely dependent on label data. While in unsupervised learning, if training data and testing data differ, then accuracy may affected. But in reinforcement learning, it is actually uses AI. So it is completely based on the feedback. Now there are some terms used in reinforcement learning. First one is agent. So agent is nothing but intelligent agent which performs some action. Now second term is environment. Environment means situation where agent perform the action. Then there is action. So agent perform the action in an environment, and based on that he will get the result. Now what is the state? State means what type of action. So once if the agent gets a negative feedback, then according to that state will be considered. According to that he will take the action. Then reward means what is the reward, whether it is positive feedback or negative feedback. Based on the feedback, policy, that is strategy, is decided, and value means it is long term output. So these are the terms used in reinforcement learning. So that's it about reinforcement learning. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.